What's up everyone, welcome to another episode of Tube for You. My name is Arpit and as you can see I am all drenched in the colors of Holi. This video is gonna be amazing. Make sure sit tight, buckle up and have fun. Once again wishing you all a very happy Holi. Guys, this was the video of the Holi. I hope you enjoyed it. मुझे तो बड़ा मज़ा आया और सबसे बेस्ट बात ये कि the phone is still working. And that's my mom by the way. So wish you all a very happy Holi. Till then, stay tuned to Tube for You. Subscribe करो, share करो, like करो और party करो. Love you all. See you in the next episode. Bye bye.